Welcome to Schoen Roofing. I'll show you guys how to use a caulking tube properly when you are roofing. The first thing you want to do is cut the tube on an angle. Okay, never cut it straight across, about a 45. There's all sorts of weird stuff you can do with this tip with a lighter and mushing it around, not necessary. What you're gonna do is, we got it poked open. Okay, so come down to the metal. We have to caulk all this riglet metal, and we wanna do it once and be done. So what we're gonna do is make sure that that 45 tip is against here. Okay, it's not backwards. If we're not doing that, and we're always gonna pull towards us. It's really simple, but a lot of people seem to have a problem with it. So we're gonna get a little bit in here. And then as long as you keep that tip even and keep pulling the gun back towards you, you're gonna get a nice even bead. And then you don't gotta play with it afterwards. It's all about consistency. So just make sure that you keep pulling the gun backwards. Don't change the angle. If the caulking starts to look like it's not going in a nice straight line, just readjust the angle of the gun so that that tip is flat. Okay, so we'll do one more and then we'll call it. If you have any questions, don't call me. I don't care. This is it. Cut it on a 45. You have to pull the gun towards you. So now I'm gonna start in this corner and come back this way. So I don't know if you want to get on the other side. Yeah. This is really easy. No one teaches this way though. They just cut it off straight, give it to the laborer, and let them make a mess. It's not how we like to do it. But the trick is keeping the caulking gun at the exact same angle all the way down. Not having tools in your way. You really shouldn't have to play with this after you apply it. You should be able to just leave it. Be done and go home. If you do start playing with it, you actually make it worse. Okay. Than if you didn't. So I had to stop there because some stuff was in the way. It's okay. Hit the release button. Release button on the trigger so the caulking stops coming out right away. And then I'm going to start right where I stopped. Tiny little bit. And just keep going. It's fairly therapeutic actually, having this nice consistent bead all the way down. Okay, that was it. Thank you for watching how to properly use a caulking gun.